Puppigly! Puppigly!
Hey, I'm Laurent Kovács, I'm a multimedia developer and I want to introduce my upcoming animation series. The series is about a cute character based on a little pink walker girl built by CGI Bricks. Her name is Puppigly.
Puppigly! Puppigly!
Puppigly. She's life.
She's amazing! Puppigly is a funny character for everyone who wants a few minutes in a non-logic world where everything is possible when you don't count on it.
Yeah, I teach Puppigly how to be funny.
Look, sir, Troy.
Puppigly is cool. Okay. She will be better in black. Does she have a sister in black?
This series is going to be awesome, funny and inspirational. Want to play something but draws a smile on a lots of people's face? Choose Puppigly.
Puppigly! Puppigly!
She's no good to me dead.